Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over variables in CSS and how we can add variables into our CSS basically. So I have a paragraph here that just says hello. It's just a basic text right here. And now we are going to be defining a few variables. So the way that we do that is we do a root, okay? And now in here we can define our variables. So the way that we do that is we do two dashes. We can give it a name. So for example, I'm going to do blue. I'm going to give it a value of color blue. So we'll do 6495ED. And then we'll do one more. I'll do white. And we'll give a value of F0E6. Okay. And now we can use both of these variables anywhere in our style sheet. Okay, so the way that we do that now is, I say that I want to change the background color of the body, so we'll just do body, then we'll do background color, and now we can use one of these variables to change the background color of our body. Okay, so let's say we want to use blue. The way we'll do that is we'll do var, and then in here, inside these brackets, all we have to do is just do blue, the same thing as we did up here. Okay, and then we can just use a semicolon. So now if we go back to our page, you can see that the background color is blue because we have set the background color to the variable blue, and that we have set up here. We can do the same thing with a paragraph, and let's say I want to change the color. We'll do the exact same thing. We'll do var, and then we have the color white up here. Now if I save that, go back to our page, refresh this, you can see that our color has been changed simply by using the variables that we have set in here in the root. So that's about it for this video on variables. Hope this video helped, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.